Hi guys, you're tuned in with Cook with Titus. I'm your host, and also Titus Mia. So today, as you can see, we're outside. So sizoyenza some fried chicken and papa. So somehow my customers call it papa ne piano. So yeah, let me take you straight into my ingredients. What I have. Here I've got water, clean water that I want to sprinkle on the dry whenever there's fire that's going to come out, and to keep my equipment clean. Here I've got my spice, this is chicken spice. It comes in flavors. You get peri peri, you get you get many more. This is peri peri for it because it's spicy. Here I've got my oil to make it a bit tender and juicy, and and of course I've got my sauce here. So in nyama mhlanje izobaba. That's why I've got like some chili things like my sauce and the spice. So yeah, here I've got my chicken, as you can see. Has been cut open to get every spice and sauce in there to be tender inside. So let's go straight up to the course. So ndizofaka ilanduza yam oil yam into the chicken. Oil has to be at least 4 tablespoons, depending on your chicken though. Whatever you will be using, whether it's chicken, is it pork, is it beef, steak, you know. So yeah, so in this case you could use your hands to mix in the oil into the chicken. Somehow you could also use it wearing gloves if you're serving for people such as customers or family. So yeah, for me, I am doing it for myself. So yeah, so now I'll be adding the spice in. Let me put my chicken down. Adding it in there. So mix it once again, you know. Baba itibane yonke izoba tender, izoba spicy, izoba ne taste, you know. But in yeah, man, it depends on you whether ufuna usebenzisa spice. Spices babayo, spices mild, spices, you know. So yeah. Let me go again. That's rough. So yeah. So you process your mix. You can do it overnight if you want to. You know, depending on you whether or the type of chicken that you will be using. Because now I'm using chicken here. So I wanted to demonstrate straight up to you whether how to do it. But it's very nice when you do it overnight. Sure. Yeah. So okay, I'm gonna put my chicken in there. These are nice and large pieces. Oh yeah, great. I love it. So yes, whenever you're preparing this kind of meal, you have to be careful. Whether you don't burn yourself, you could get assistance from an adult where you want to start the fire. So yeah, you also have to keep it hygiene whenever what you're doing here. So yeah, but also be on the lookout where you don't burn your chicken. Yeah, so but normally chicken can take longer than what you call this, I'll say pork, because pork is much quicker, and depending on the, yeah, definitely it is more like slices. So yeah, but with the chicken it will get warm on the outside, but ungabhanqa inyama yenkukhu iyabhanqa iyakhatha. Ungacima seyivuthiwe ngaphandle ne, but ayikavuthwa, then on the inside is rare and then not proper cooked enough. So yeah, when it comes to the fire pot, you have to be careful. Whereby I have my water here. The reason why I have my water is to reduce the heat of the fire, to not burn my chicken. So in this situation, you could get someone older than you that is going to assist you to help you not burning yourself, not burning the fire, I mean the chicken. So yeah, or burning whatever the space where you're drying or doing your meat at. So yeah, isitore sababantu abo bangatyiyo inyama ebrayiweyo. So I understand how come you don't eat inyama ebrayiweyo. Come on guys, man, come on. I know I'm a food lover, but then yeah, there should be certain things that I shouldn't be eating, like canned fish. I don't eat canned fish. So yeah, last time you checked, so now you could see, well, it is kind of rare inside, but then we have water on the outside. Where this is where I warn people at the reason why I think I'm let me recap quickly to tell you what I was talking about when I kind of explaining why did I cut the chicken into, not into half, but open though. It's because the secret, because but yeah, was water on the outside, as you can see. Oops. On the outside there, but then when it comes to the inside, there's still blood coming out, not being completely done, you know. So yeah, so I'm gonna focus on putting it, then the blood is gonna be drained out there, and then water, you know. So yeah, see, as you can also see about the chicken, the blood is dripping out. So yeah, so to explain more about today's meal is because I normally do pork, so I thought, man, about why not do some chicken, because you know pork is more like quicker and easy to do more than chicken. So the reason why I thought, you know what, let me rather take chicken. I want to take through people what I go through, or what we all experience, but then we don't never notice what happens inside in yam, because yeah, was and then not on the inside there's still red, and then there's still blood in yongelon, you know. So yeah, so today's meal is more like a throwback where so in the, not I don't want to say townships, but then should I call it Chisanyama? It is Chisanyama, this what we're doing here, but then ujasekasi, whereby you having pub and yam on the side, but then that's what I'll be preparing on the inside, where is a white papa. So yeah, but then I'm gonna try to do with bisto, yeah, whereby there's some spicy inside along like crave. So yeah, other than that, I don't want to use chakalaka. Yo, that's so spicy though. That is so spicy. Every time I buy, as soon as we say to blow inside on the sides to use a little more, because yeah, and then start creating more heat for your chicken to be colors, to be tender, to be ready, you know. So yeah, in this case, niggas got but you don't burn yourself when you get choked by the smoke. As you can see that I'm coughing now and then. So yeah. So I'm gonna cut my chicken there to each one, about is it ready to be served? Yeah, it does. So the sauce spice, the sauce I meant, the sauce is the last part of the video where you're gonna have to just marinate all over to get the juiciness more. So yeah. Yes. So my chicken is ready, so I'm going to put on my sauce that I have. So depending on you which sauce you want to use, you could use barbecue, chili sauce. I don't know if you would put chip sauce on meat, but then you get weird combinations of food that people love, you know. So yeah, like as I said, so yeah, man. So I'll be putting on my chili sauce on. Unifaka kakhulu tu ukufakwa inyama apha ukubaba kwayo, so yeah. You get people that marinate on one side, but I normally prefer marinating on both sides of the chicken. So yeah, and guys, I could tell you the smell of it, the way it smells. On my word. I'm so happy. Food is mostly what you call best friend. So if ever you wanna see more of my videos and pictures of these meals that are prepared, you can mostly follow me on Instagram. At chef_Titus Media. That's where I'll drop pictures and vlogs. Not vlogs really, but then short videos of when I'll be posting my full video on YouTube. So yeah, at YouTube, Cooking with Titus. Please also share with your friends. Please also like every video that I posted. Please also hit that notification. But hey, George, hit that notification button so to be notified whenever I post videos. So yeah, man. Seems like inyama yami ivuthiwe ngoku, so I'll be heading inside and preparing ipapa yam. So sizoba ngamapapa nepiyano. So yeah. Let's go inside. So guys, we're back in my kitchen. So yeah, I was cleaning up and preparing some few things on how to prepare a pistolet. Yeah, somehow it seems like not in a very commercial break. I was preparing some few things, but yeah, to quickly repeat what I said not so long ago, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and be notified whenever I post a video. So yes, let me take you through once again through my ingredients for a pistolet. Simply, I've got a knife here, of course. Here I've got a cup of meal for a papaya. Here I've got onions, chopped onions, 1 tomato, paprika, yeah, chili, salt, and half a jug of warm water, yeah, and then 1 pot for my pisto, and it's for my cup. So let's get started. So I'm gonna heat up my pot here, and then I'm gonna throw in my onions. Doesn't have to be oil there. You don't have to pour oil or something, but it's your choice whether you do want to pour oil or not. So yeah. So now I'm gonna dice my tomatoes. Yes. This is because I want to show you steps of how to dice my tomato. You slice it as if you're slicing slices of bread. Yeah, I know it's too far, but I just hope you will see it. Yeah, and then you slice it again. Then it will be like a flower where it opens up in different ways, but then you're gonna hold it sideways like that. Let me come close and show you. Then you're gonna hold it sideways, then cut it that way. The reason why I'm bonisa through my onion, how to chop it. You can chop your onion in your style or in your ways, but make it thin, yeah, because it got me teary somehow. So yeah, continuing, you chop it like that. Make sure that you don't cut your hand in whatever you're doing, so be careful on how you use the knife. So yeah, so it will come out messy. It will come out as small dices. So yeah, so there it goes in, but the last bit you may cut it in. Yeah, this is where we prepare for the pap. Do not eat it as dry, or you get people that get to have a pistolet on the side, to there on the side for a as whenever you wanna dip in. So yeah, for the papaya, you can dip in for your papa and your what you call this for your meat. So yeah, let's put this there. As that is still warm, getting cooked up, you know, uzayizamisa nje wabekibane. So yeah, reason why you don't put in what you call this, some oil, is because the liquid tomato is already turning in, as in it's becoming the oil and it's a liquid. So yeah, so now preparing for papaya, I will be pouring in water. I'll be using this side. It's turning that on to 4. Yeah, sikufo stove upper, na upper sikufo. So you're gonna pour your water in there, warm water. Salt in. Yeah, so you have to wait for that until it gets warm. Reason why I am using half a cup of jug is because I'm not doing for a large crowd of people. I'm doing it for myself at the moment. So yeah, put in your paprika while your onion and tomato are still heating up. Flavor is what so yeah, depends on you how much paprika you want to put in there. But then for me, as I said, I want it to be spicy but not too spicy. But then somehow, what's too spicy? If you want to have a shortcut of not doing this process, you could just have you get canned what should I call this, not peri man, what, it's not a bistro, but then chakalaka. Yes, you get canned chakalaka, so that's where you can cheat this way out. But then you get mild, you get hot one. But at the store there was just as baba zoto, like I was like, no, I can't take this. But then yeah, man, I do want to make it hot, like a baba. But then today is not that day to be eating hot stuff for me. So yeah, I have certain days of having gucci babayo and then pongababi. But then but yeah, man, let me check on my that's coming warm. So I want to move my things out of the way and clean up my space quickly. So yeah, so before I put my meal in there, I want to stir up a garlic. Yeah. So J flavors is a bit right. So now after this, we're putting in our pap in there. That's a mistake. This is a mistake that I'm doing here. I'm not supposed to be covering it. I'm supposed to be warming that, stirring that in there. Stir as I'm still stirring up. So yeah, papaya must not be watery. It has to be dry. One about in terms of uzamisa and all that, but it depends on how many people you're preparing for. So yeah, but mine yet tibana apa and yeah, since it's not much, so it's much easier for mine to be done. So yeah, I'll leave that to finish up. So now ndizogala ilanuza yam. Salt is the last step to take for ilanuza for a piece. I could smell the paprika and the tomato combining, which is baba nyani. So for me this is kind of spicy, okay? It is. I could tell from the smell of it, it's already spicy. So I even like the tender juice of it, how it is. So yes. But to create more gravy, you have to put in a little bit of water. For me, it seems like it's fine, so there's a pumice called some, and then now cover it, and then also have to check on this one whether by yum and Johnny. Yeah, Tiban. So yeah. For that, switching off my plate. So going into my last step, where I'll be dishing off my chicken, my beef, and then my pup. So yes, yeah. I feel excited really. I feel like time to eat. Ooh, it's hot. So I'm gonna quickly clean up my space before I dish up. So yeah, so guys, I'm done with my cleaning up that I had to do. So now all I need to do is dish up my pup, and then my beef, and then my chicken. So I'll start with my pup. As you can see, it's nice and warm. It's always great serving your food while it's still warm, okay? So yeah. Oh, that's beautiful, hey? Ooh. Pup is not too soft, not too thick, but then it's just perfect. Yeah, it's just perfect. So I'm gonna put this on the side. Let me put it here. Now my soya. Where it's nice and warm. It's already like a lot of my own, like homemade. So I'm gonna choose a piece here. And which one to take? Put this down. Take this piece. Okay, meat is meat. So yeah. Go there. Put that right there. Guys, I present to you Babani Piano. So don't know where to start, but please follow me on Instagram, chef_TitusMia, and please hit the like button. Also hit the notification button to be notified whenever I post videos. So yeah. still speechless about Lalando's. It's perfect. The pub is very perfect. Hey, I'm loving it. I'm definitely loving it. Guys, please also comment about what you think about this plate. Please comment.